Hi there, this is Têtu, CEO of Coveo. Our annual community event is right around the corner from June 6 to June 8 in San Francisco, and our team has put together a jam-packed agenda with training, breakout sessions, and keynotes, more than 30 sessions for you. This will be a key opportunity for you to meet some of the people who are truly leading the way in AI-powered search and personalization technology. You'll meet some of our key R&D staff, as well as some senior executives from many of our clients. Dell and Salesforce in particular will be on stage and share some of their experiences with us. With our training and workshops, you'll discover new ideas to fully leverage Coveo Machine Learning and walk away with new skills to bring to life your business objectives. So it's time to put your impact plans in place. Register today, and I look forward to seeing you in San Francisco.